Hey friends, Kevin Ostie, super excited because it is Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals time once again, but not just any Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. Yes, it is the 60th anniversary of the Pontiac GTO, but if you look inside, you will find that it is the 20th anniversary of the V8 Speed and Resto shop, and we are bringing a ton, 6 tons of cars to the show, a special 20th anniversary invitational display. What are we bringing? This 69 Corvette Roadster. We finished this recently. It's a 427 car. It has a TKX 5-speed, custom blue color, custom leather interior, all done in-house. We welcome you to come to the show and check it out. But that's not all. Look around. I feel like Willy Wonka in this room here, in the land of pure imagination. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is the Comp Cam's 40th anniversary car. We restored this back in 2016. We're bringing it. Come see it. The Lose Change 1969 Camaro. This is an LSA powered car. It has a custom 3D printed grille and carbon fiber insert on the hood and an LSA, all kinds of great pro touring stuff. This was at the MCACN show many years ago. We finished this car back in 2013. You can come see it at the MCACN show, right? We're getting the routine down? 1968 Chevy Camaro, the reloaded Camaro, one of our favorites. We built this one and finished it in 2012. This one is a 2-time SEMA car. So everything we mentioned so far has been SEMA cars except for the blue Corvette. 490 cubic inch big block, Detroit speed suspension, custom paint, all custom body mods. You can come see it. You know where. Say it with me. The MCACN show, right? Behind us, a GTO, 1967. This one, also a MCACN show star back in 2019. Scored ridiculous, like 997 out of 1,000. You might have seen the build video on our website or YouTube channels of this car. You can come see it in person at the MCACN show. We have a car that is a very special one, a 65 CHEVEL, that's also in the magazine, but we're not done. What I'm standing in front of is a 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon. We're bringing it, we're probably just bringing the chassis, but it's got something very special in the nose. Check it out. An all-aluminum Ford single overhead cam John Kazi engine. This is 850 horsepower, dual Holley throttle body fuel injection, coupled to an overdrive transmission on a Roadster shop chassis. So our display there this year is going to show in process, finished, and cars that have been finished for 20 years. It's really a cool thing. We're very excited. Come see us November 23rd and 24th. If you're watching this real time, it's basically a week away as we shoot this, as we bring all of these legacy cars built over our 20 years of existence here at V8 Speed and Resto. Come say hi, and we will see you, sing it with me, at MCACN.